Ko te kaiwhahua pueru toa nei, ko Kiri Nathan, tētahi o nā tāngata te kau kai roto i ngā whina whakamutunga o ngā tohu Pou Whakarae o Aotearoa. Ko Nathan tērā kua kahawhawhai kia atu mai ai te Māori i roto i te ahuahua pueru, me te ūkina uara o te ao Māori, me te awhi hoki ētahi asu kaiwhahua Māori kai te whai o na tapu wai. Kei Jess Tyson a whakamārama.
He pou waro e para huarahi ana mai ētahi atu pūkinga auaha Māori.
Ko te mea hira he Māori te tino. Kaore iau. I think the most important thing is that Māori have been acknowledged, and there are many Māori scattered throughout the finalists in all the different sections, and so that's really great, especially at this time.
I tēnei tau, nā Kiri Nathan I whakapua ki te wiki whakakite pūweru o Aotearoa, e mōhioti ana ko kahuria. He tuatahi tērā nā tētahi kaiwhahua pūweru Māori.
There were 280 people that came together, predominantly Māori, to bring that moment to fruition, and that's what it was. I don't feel like it was a runway show, I feel like it was a moment. And it was a moment where Māori came together, and actually all cultures and ages that were in that room at that time felt connected, and that was really beautiful.
Ko ana pūweru kua whakakākahu I ētahi kanohi rongonui I te ao. Nā te kāhui collective I tīmata, hei tohu, hei tautoko hoki I te tipuranga ake o ngā kaiwhahua iwi take. Ko Nicola te kiri tētahi.
I think it's overdue, and I think, God damn, I'm so proud of her. So proud of Kiri to be a finalist for New Zealander of the Year. I think she needs to be acknowledged and celebrated and just put to the forefront of a lot of things, because she gives and she gives and she gives.
I tēnei wiki I taki hui ai a kāhui collective ki te hoko atu I a rātou taonga I tētahi toa rangitahi.
Kiri has helped me on just so many levels. Yeah, she's got this mentor kind of ahua about her, but it's really more than that. It's like friends, but I think even deeper than that, Kiri really cares. You know, she doesn't just want you to do well in your Pākehī, she wants you to do well in all aspects of your life.
The future for Kiri Nathan, the brand, and for Kāhui Collective is to implement the Kauri ecosystem. So that's an ecosystem that would see the first commercial Māori fashion industry become a reality, and it would see us do it in a way that is authentic and genuine, and it would see us do it in a way that reciprocates and respects te ao Māori, which is, you know, no small feat when you start commercialising.
Hei te marama o maihe, ka mōhio ai tātou me he mea ka puta te ihu o Nathan I ngā tohu Pou Whakarae o Aotearoa. Jess Tyson, te ao marama.